Pasa. Let's get another building. 1, 2.
Wow. It was the best lift in the whole history in the world. We had an inhibitor in the building. We're filming the building 42, but it's completely closed. And with the spring with the residence. Thank you, noodles.
Good.
Now in the building 22, we come along to the next lift, which is a nice Jordan. Well, Cap complains over like the generic. Look at this. And then they are the person passes these stairs. It's because we are a lot of people. It smells strange. Maybe. No, it's the 7. You're in 6. Get out. Why we have to wait on the 7th floor? So, good. Get to the ground floor. That sounds like the map room. Wow, look at this room. It's so cool. They turn off. Doesn't always like sound like he's going up. Wow. Floor.